Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix a broken raid in Minecraft. If your raid farm has completely stopped working after recent updates, your raids keep instantly canceling themselves, or the progress bar is permanently frozen on your screen, the core spawning mechanics are glitched. I will show you exactly how to adapt to the new updates and fix your broken raid right now. Let's get started. First, if you kill a Pillager captain but the bad omen effect never triggers and your raid refuses to start, it is because modern Minecraft completely overhauled the raid system. Captains no longer automatically curse you. Instead, they now drop a physical item called an ominous bottle. To successfully trigger a raid, you must pick up the bottle from the ground, manually drink it to receive the bad omen effect, and then walk into a village. If you have an automated raid farm, you must now build an item sorter to catch these bottles and route them back up to your AFK spot so you can continuously drink them. Next, if you successfully trigger a raid on a custom island or an ocean farm, but the raid bar appears and then instantly vanishes, the game engine is canceling the event because it cannot find valid spawn blocks. On Bedrock Edition, raids frequently fail to spawn if your village is built too close to sea level, directly over an ocean biome. To fix this, you must physically rebuild the village center or your farm platform at least 40 blocks high in the sky. Additionally, you should increase your world's simulation distance in the video settings so the game has enough loaded chunks to properly map the required raid boundaries. Finally, if the raid is actively running but the bar is permanently stuck with one remaining enemy that you absolutely cannot find, they have likely spawned deep underground in a hidden cave. If ringing the village bell does not properly highlight them, you can forcefully reveal them if you have server commands enabled. Open your chat and carefully type /effect space give space @ bracket type equals hashtag Minecraft raiders bracket space glowing, which instantly applies the glowing status effect to all remaining pillagers, letting you see their outlines directly through solid stone. If you are playing without cheats, your fastest option is to temporarily break all the beds in the village, which deletes the village data and forces the broken raid to cancel entirely. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.